Today we're going to walk through the steps of applying for a library card online. Your Patchogue-Medford library card will give you access to digital books, audiobooks, movies, magazines, music, and more. You'll also get access to the library's online learning services, including Rosetta Stone for language learning, BrainFuse for online homework help, and Udemy for career skills. Okay, let's get a new library card. First, go to the library's website. That's pmlib.org. Now click on Get a Card Online. Fill out this form, make sure to put in your correct email address, and submit it. You will immediately see your temporary barcode. This will be a 7-digit number, and you might want to write it down so you remember it.
If you're using a mobile device, it'll be easier to go to My Account in the top menu, then click on Get a Card, and then click on this link that says Pre-register for 90-day access to electronic resources. Now you need to create a password for your library account. Click on this link that says Create a Password. Type in your temporary barcode and click Submit.
Now you'll need to check your email. You'll have received 2 emails from the sender, Sierra. The first email has your temporary barcode, in case you forgot. The second email has a link to reset your library password. Follow this link, type in your temporary barcode once again, and then type in what you want your library password to be. Click Submit, and that's it. Let's make sure your new barcode and password are working. Go to the library's website. Again, that's pmlib.org. Go to My Account in the top menu and click on Login. Now, type in your temporary barcode and password, and you should be able to log into your library account.
Now that you have your temporary card, you'll be able to use Overdrive and their app, Libby, to get ebooks and audiobooks from the library. You'll also be able to use most of our research databases. However, some services such as BrainFuse, Flipster, and Rosetta Stone won't work with a temporary card. To access these, you'll need your permanent library card.
So, what do you have to do to get your permanent library card? Absolutely nothing. A day or so after you've applied for your temporary card, you'll automatically get an email from library staffer Jessica Moore. This email will contain your permanent library card number. This will be a 14-digit number beginning with 20643. From now on, use this library card number and the password you already created to access all library services.
Congratulations on your new library card. You can now use all of the library's digital resources. If you run into any trouble, get in touch with our librarians. You can live chat with a librarian on our website, email us at reference@pmlib.org, or call 631-654-4700, extension 152, and leave a message. We'll call you back.